What's the meaning of capital? Capital. Capital.
Capital. Capital. The term capital typically refers to a building that houses a legislature or other governmental assembly. It is often used interchangeably with the word capital, which refers to a city or town that serves as the seat of government for a particular region or nation. The word capital comes from the Latin word Capitolium, which was the name of an ancient temple in Rome that was dedicated to the gods Jupiter, Juno, and Minerva. Today, many countries around the world have capitol buildings that serve as important symbols of their political power and authority.